Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well today. Thank you for joining me for another English speaking practice. If you want to improve your English naturally, keep listening, repeat after me, and practice every day. Little by little, you will become more confident. Today, I would like to share about someone who inspires me very much. The title of my speech is The Leader I Admire. Everyone has a different idea about leadership. Some people believe that a leader is someone with power or authority. Others think that a leader is simply the person who gives instructions. However, I have a different opinion. For me, a true leader is someone who inspires others through actions, not only through words. A great leader earns respect because of honesty, responsibility, kindness, and wisdom. These qualities are much more important than having a high position. The leader I admire is someone who always puts the team first. Instead of thinking only about personal success, this leader thinks about how everyone can succeed together. A good leader understands that every member of the team is important. Another reason why I admire this kind of leader is because of good communication. A great leader listens carefully before making decisions. Everyone wants to feel heard and respected. When people know that their opinions matter, they become more confident and motivated. A good leader also remains calm during difficult situations. Every workplace has challenges. Every family has problems. Every organization faces unexpected difficulties. During these moments, people look at the leader for guidance. A calm leader does not panic. Instead, the leader thinks carefully, stays positive, and encourages everyone to work together. This quality is especially important in the maritime industry. On board a ship, every decision can affect the safety of the crew, the vessel, and the environment. A good captain and officers must stay calm, communicate clearly, and make wise decisions even under pressure. Leadership is not about being perfect. Every leader makes mistakes. What makes a leader different is the willingness to admit mistakes, learn from them, and become better. These are the first reasons why I admire a great leader. Now, let me continue by talking about the personal qualities that make a leader truly unforgettable. When I think about a great leader, the first quality that comes to my mind is honesty. Honest leaders tell the truth even when it is difficult. They do not hide mistakes or blame other people. Because of this, they earn the trust of everyone around them. Another important quality is responsibility. Responsible leaders never run away from problems. Instead, they face challenges with courage and confidence. They understand that leadership means accepting responsibility for both success and failure. I also admire leaders who are humble. No matter how experienced they are, they never stop learning. They listen to advice, accept constructive criticism, and always look for ways to improve themselves. Humility makes a leader stronger, not weaker. Kindness is another characteristic that I truly admire. A kind leader respects every person, regardless of age, position, or background. They understand that every individual deserves respect. Small acts of kindness can build strong teamwork and create a positive working environment. Discipline is also essential. Successful leaders are usually the first to arrive, well-prepared, and committed to doing their best every day. They understand that discipline creates consistency, and consistency leads to success. In my opinion, leadership is not limited to the workplace. Leadership begins with ourselves. We become leaders when we make responsible decisions, help other people, and set a good example in our daily lives. As a seafarer, I hope that one day I can become a leader who is trusted by my crew. I want to communicate clearly, make safe decisions, solve problems calmly, and always put safety first. I know that becoming a good leader requires continuous learning and experience. Every day gives us an opportunity to improve. Even small improvements can make a big difference over time. There is one more quality that I believe every great leader should have, and I would like to explain it in the final part of this speech. The final quality that I admire most is the ability to inspire others. Great leaders do not simply tell people what to do. They encourage others to believe in themselves. They help people discover their strengths and become more confident. An inspiring leader celebrates the success of the team instead of seeking all the attention. They understand that success is the result of teamwork, cooperation, and mutual respect. I also believe that a good leader continues learning throughout life. The world is constantly changing, and every new experience teaches us something valuable. Leaders who continue learning are better prepared to face future challenges. Another important lesson I have learned is that leadership starts with simple daily habits. Being punctual, keeping promises, speaking politely, helping others, and taking responsibility are all examples of leadership. These small actions build strong character over time. Whenever I meet someone with these qualities, I feel inspired to become a better person. I believe that true leadership is not measured by titles or rank, but by the positive influence we have on other people's lives. My dream is not only to become successful in my career, but also to become someone who can inspire, encourage, and support others. If I can help even one person become better, I will consider that a meaningful achievement. In conclusion, the leader I admire is honest, responsible, humble, kind, disciplined, calm, and inspiring. These qualities create trust, build strong relationships, and help people achieve great things together. I know that becoming a great leader is a lifelong journey. Every experience teaches us something new, and every challenge helps us grow stronger. I hope that one day I can become the kind of leader that others admire and respect. Thank you very much for listening and practicing English with me today. I hope this speech has inspired you to become a better leader in your own life. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English speaking practice. Keep learning, keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.